Hello and welcome to Underwise. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Attack on Titan manga chapter 136 because we have some major spoilers in regards to this particular chapter. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. With that being said, let's begin the video. But before directly jumping into the spoilers, I need to address one particular thing. I'm pretty sure that someone is going to write in the comment section that I am being a hypocrite here because just yesterday I made a video saying that there will be no apparent leaks for this particular chapter because of the new copyright laws that have been implemented from January 1st, 2021. But here I am one day later making a spoiler video for this particular chapter. But am I being a hypocrite here? No, because this is not your typical leaks. Rather, it's wrong to say that this is a leak in itself because this is a totally legit source, this is a totally legal source, and what exactly is going on here is that the first 3 pages of this particular chapter, that is chapter 136, has been a part of the preview image for Bisatsu Shonen Jump. Now, because of the stricter copyright laws, I'm not going to attach an image for these leaks. Rather, I'm going to leave the link for the website in the description below. This website is called global.bookwalker.jp and here you can find the preview images for the first 3 pages, just the first 3 pages of the entirety of the chapter. And that is actually the source of chapter 136 spoilers. So this is a totally legit source and this is not your typical leaks where someone obtains the chapter before the release date and leaks it online. That is not the case here. But with that being said, let's proceed to the actual spoilers. And oh boy, things are looking very interesting in my opinion. Of course, now we know that chapter 139 is going to be the ending of the series, so we just have 3 more chapters left and the madness is just going to increase chapter by chapter. So the title of the chapter is Devote Your Hearts. Now here some people had misquoted this as Dedicate Your Hearts, but I think Devote Your Hearts is a better translation here because that is actually the thing which Levi had told to Hanji a couple of chapters back. Not a couple of chapters back, but in the past basically. Moreover, what's happening here is that we can see the point of view of the Marleyans who are seeing the approaching rumbling, and we can also see Reiner's parents in that particular crowd as well. Moreover, they exclaim at the fact that there is a bird and people are riding on it. Because of course they don't know that this is actually Falco. They have absolutely no idea that Falco can actually transform into a flying titan. I really don't think anyone has seen the flying titan before. Now of course it was foreshadowed to us in the past, but no one has actually seen this thing before, so obviously everyone is curious because the shot here is absolutely fabulous in my opinion, with Eren and the rumbling happening in the background and Falco is just flying away with the remaining survivors. This is really good stuff in my opinion. And from here we switch to the point of view of Gabi and the others, and there's some pretty interesting dialogue which is at play here. Moreover, on top of Falco we can see the following people: Reiner, Gabi, Connie, Jean, Mikasa and Annie. Now, Reiner is kind of pissed at this moment because he is basically asking Gabi as to why did you leave the ship, why are you here, why has Falco dragged you into the battlefield. And Reiner also goes on to ask Falco that, do you remember my promise, do you remember the promise that you made to me, and Falco says, of course I do Mr. Braun, of course I do. And what was that promise? The promise was to keep Gabi safe. But at that moment we also get some more information about the plot, especially the fact that the ship actually sank because it was not able to withstand Falco's transformation. And that is the reason why they had to left. And at that moment Gabi also says that they need to stop the rumbling, they need to repay their kindness, and that is where the spoilers mostly end with the last shot of Falco. This was very interesting in my opinion. Of course, due to Twitter, we have some more information. There's a potential that something has happened to Levi, but I'm not confirmed upon that fact as of the recording of this particular video. But these are the spoilers that we currently have for Attack on Titan manga chapter 136. What do you guys think about all of this? What do you think about the title? What do you think that is being implied at this particular moment of the chapter? And where do you think the story is finally moving forward to? I have obviously put up a poll in the community tab of the channel where you can give your opinion that who is eventually going to survive the ending of AOT. I am eventually going to make a video on this particular topic, so I'm looking forward to your opinion as well. But this is it for this particular video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Underwise and I'll see you soon on the next video.